top score in there.
Graphic face, make a face. Whoop, they just switched me. I think that's Annie, but she might be a little wiggly. Oh, there's me. There's an Anna. Anna! There you are. Up on the little one on the wall. There's a mug. There he is. There's Daddy on the wall. Oh, you weren't there very long. You'll be back. Just a minute. Yay, Daddy! Okay, just a minute. A photo moment. Oh, thank you so much.
Go ahead, Jordan.
Bye-bye. Down at the end. Here we are in an Imagineering
So please feel free to use
studio.
any of the chairs that you see throughout the lab. They're positioned just right so that you have a real nice view of any of the
In the
computers
virtual
and monitors
reality building.
that can be found throughout the lab.
John and
Again, they
Rachel
will
are going
only
to
show
be
the same thing for the
chosen
first part of our
to
demonstration.
do some virtual reality
Still got some more
demonstrations.
moments.
They're really excited.
In the lab, they will
Go
all
back
be,
that way.
good morning. My name is George. I am with Walt Disney Imagineering, and I would like to welcome you all to the Walt Disney Imagineering Lab. Now, this is the first time in 42-year history of Imagineering in which we have allowed guests backstage for a very special demonstration of a work in progress. The work can enter and interact with. This particular clip that you're now looking at is filmed. It's a film from the Disney. No, excuse me. It's a clip from the movie.
Here he is in the virtual reality machine.
Go ahead, Travis. Mark, okay, Mark. Okay. At the moment, we have this much of the adventure complete. Eventually, we're going to have this much, give or take a foot or two. Now, if you remember, now Mark's up. All right. Here they are, our Imagineering Lab test pilots. Over our magic carpet number 1, we have Myra. Over our magic carpet number 2, we have John. Here on my left, we have magic carpet number 3, we have Rachel. And finally, over our magic carpet number 4, we have Patricia. You simply push the entire unit forward. To stop or slow down, you bring the control unit back. To turn right, you simply turn right. To turn left, you turn left. You're unsure, I guess how that's done, Rachel? Very good. Now, to go down, kind of bend your wrist forward, like so, and you push forward at the same time. Now, to go up, you bring your wrist back up. Bring your wrist back up. Up. Very good. Now, to go forward, you simply push the unit forward. Very good. Now, should at any point you feel like you need to stop or slow down, you simply bring the control unit back. Okay? So it's like flying any other magic carpet, right? Now, before you set, you put on your HMDs next from the speakers and pull them over your head. Until you hear a real nice click and you get a nice picture, you want to go ahead and start tracking points. Mike? Mike, you want to go ahead and start tracking points? All right. Now they're in a three-dimensional environment created by our computers. Feel free to look around, turn your heads, look behind you. Don't be afraid, there's no monsters there yet. Rachel, you want to go ahead and turn your head around? Look around. Don't be afraid. This is no video.
Okay, did you get all that? Look, just nod your head and try to act like you have a brain, okay? Either we find the scar, or we're not going anywhere. Got that? Good. Okay, split up. You go that way, and I'll go this way. And don't be a moron, okay? Stay away from the dog.
Notice how we have distinctive flying styles. Apparently, I think I need to,
Here's John's screen. John's going down this driveway here. Whoa. Let's see where Rachel is. She's back in the city now. Let's see if she finds anything. John and Rachel just got to do that virtual reality. How neat. Making a picture of herself. Isn't she lovely? John and Rachel doing the same thing. Our John. Barely looks like him anymore. There he is. It keeps getting better.
There we go.
That's the gun.
She's taping the top.
You look good. There's Rachel looking good. Make it smaller. New mouth yet. Okay, push the, why don't you push the grand finale? Here.
Good job. I'll try it again.
Oh, Rachel.
There you go.